right, on today's episode of Python Papi, we're back inside our small contracts project. Let's have a look at what we're going to be going over today. And today we're back inside of our Moccasin module. And today we're going to be starting a new section. This section is going to be the transaction types. So let's dive right in. So there are several transaction types in ZK Sync that we need to be aware of. So number one, we have the L1 to L2 deposit transactions. These transactions allow users to deposit assets from the Ethereum mainnet, which is layer 1, to the ZK Sync layer 2 network. Then we have the L2 to L1 withdrawal transactions. These transactions enable users to withdraw assets from the ZK Zinc layer 2 network back to the Ethereum main network, which is layer 1. Then we have L2 to L2 transfer transactions. These transactions facilitates the transfer of assets between different accounts within the ZK Sync layer 2 network. Now, each of these transaction types has its own characteristics and use cases, and understanding them is crucial for effectively utilizing the ZK Sync platform. And there are also transaction envelopes in ZK Sync that provide additional functionality and security for transactions. Transaction envelopes, these are special structures that encapsulate transaction data, providing additional security and functionality. They help ensure the integrity and validity of transactions on the ZK Sync network. Now, we're going to leave it there for now. That was just a quick introduction to the transaction type. That may have been everything. We're just doing a quick dive into it. We didn't do a deep dive into it. Just a quick brush up on it. So we may be starting a new section tomorrow. So stay tuned for that. But of course, I will keep you posted every step of the way. For now, it's the Python Papi. You guys stay Gucci.